Okay, guys. You do it. Okay, guys. That's what we're doing. We got a bottle, like some water bottle, and then you get baking soda, first put it in there, and just watch how he does it. Just gotta put like maybe halfway or something. Okay, he's got a little trouble right now. Getting a lot of mess. Okay, getting him right in there. Let's see. Okay, look, see how much you need. See that? Okay, now he's gonna put the see these are called bomb tits. I'm gonna use this like bomb pops and buy some of those.
You said bomb tits.
Then we put it in the bottle. And now, if you want to buy some airsoft bullets, like if you play airsoft or something, just put about that much. And now, next, we will use it's this. Now he's gonna pour some in it. You gotta put it right in there and get that to top real fast. So put a little bit more. Now see how it looks like. Now I'm gonna put the lid. He's having some trouble. Now he's gonna shake it up. And then he's gonna throw it.
Oh, short.